I recreated Conway's Game of Life. The game is made up of squares, or cells, that can be alive or dead. The game has 4 rules. 1. Any alive cell with fewer than 2 alive neighbors dies, as if caused by underpopulation. 2. Any alive cell with 2 or 3 alive neighbors lives on to the next generation. 3. Any alive cell with more than 3 alive neighbors dies, as if by overpopulation. 4. Any dead cell with exactly 3 alive neighbors becomes a live cell, as if by reproduction. Now, enjoy the show.